Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2020 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, six-passenger truck is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Top features include a split folding rear seat, heated seats, heated door mirrors, a bed liner, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Call now to schedule a test drive.